Now, the Integrated Health Outreach is hosting workshops for youth against gender-based violence. It is a precursor to the anticipated walk against domestic violence that will be held next month. Kim Emmanuel Beard attended Saturday's activities at the Multipurpose Center, and she now reports.
Communications and Administration Specialist for Integrated Health Outreach, Kieran Murdoch, says this youth-focused workshop allows youth to get a comprehensive understanding regarding gender-based violence.
Our objective through this workshop, really and truly, is to connect with young people ahead of the march, give them an opportunity to understand different concepts related to gender-based violence, and also give them an opportunity to demonstrate their creativity, because if you will notice, they are working on placards which will be displayed during the march.
School counselor and pastor Karen Germain, who works with youth throughout the country, explains how important it is to engage youth in this kind of activity.
This is very important in bringing awareness to our young people. A lot of young people or individuals on the whole don't know what a healthy relationship, just don't know what a healthy relationship looks like. And so it's very important to, present this, because the norm might be, you might see some example before you and you'll think that this is the norm. And so it's very important to let them know.
Germain adds, it is also important for youth to know their rights and exercise them. Head girl and prefect of the Otters Comprehensive School, Ruth Bridge and Jamali Jarvis, both agree they have seen enough violence among their peers and are advocating to stop gender-based violence.
Given the recent situations that has been happening in Antigua, unfortunately, I think this program is very informative and it spreads awareness to the gender-based violence that's going on in our country.
Choose your friend wisely, watch who you line with, and stop the violence in the country.
The workshop will continue every Saturday, leading to the main event, which is the Men and Women Unite 2025 Stop Gender-Based Violence 5K Walk. This will be staged on the 8th of March, which is celebrated as International Women's Day. For ABS News, this is Kim Emmanuel Beard reporting.